day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to extract text from image in mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a mobile I just open an image. So I just open the image over here. So this is my WhatsApp image. So I just want to convert this one into a text. What I have to do here, any image or any type of morning image, anything I just want to convert, what I have to do here, simple and easiest way, just go to Google Chrome in your mobile phone, just type image to text. So automatically the first option, image to text extract from the image, is coming. So image to text.info. So this is a beautiful website I have used for this one. So here the image to text converter is there. So upload the file over here, just click the browse. Once you click a browse option, it will ask you camera, video recorder and media picker. Just choose the media picker. Once you choose a media picker, it will ask you for images. So just go to images. There will be a image in my WhatsApp. Just select the WhatsApp image and just choose the image. Automatically the file will be uploaded over here. So just click here to convert. Once you click here to convert, automatically it will create a verification. So using your mobile phone itself, you can convert your entire image into a text format so that you can use for this thing. See, with the regional language and all the language as well as the content, everything will be extracted over here, as you see here. So you can copy or you can download whatever you want with the text or anything. See, the text format also will come over here. So this is a regional language, so that's why it's not coming, but the text is coming over here. So simple and easiest way to have access with the extraction of image to text over here. Use the tips to convert your image to text, and you can use for your any types of emergency work. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my house channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.